Hey everybody, I'm back with another video and I wanted to celebrate because we had two Sharp Auto Body winners on the same day. Two of our clients got their RTA right to appraisal back, and I wanted to share with you the advantages of working with Sharp Auto Body. This is also why insurance companies hate us, and they'll be glad to tell you that. So client A, the insurance company said all they were going to pay for their car was $3,156. Because they worked with Sharp Auto Body, we got them an additional $8,487 to fix their car correctly. Again, we're manufacturer certified. That's what all these plaques are on the wall. And we got the difference was over $5,300, or a 63% increase to get their car fixed correctly from what the insurance company said. Client B was a larger numbers. Insurance company said we're going to pay $6,015. After working with Sharp Auto Body through the RTA process and also a guy named Mark Olson, they got $15,934 total for an increase, an additional $9,919, almost $10,000 more. Again, they got 62% more, 63, 62 when they worked with Sharp Auto Body. Do you see a trend here? I certainly do. Insurance companies are trying to short pay claims. But when you work with Sharp Auto Body, we work for you, the vehicle owner, the policy holder, not the insurance company, and these are the results. You get a quality repair with manufacturer certified warranties, and you get everything done to keep you and your family safe and sound when you use that vehicle on a daily basis. So, if you've been in an accident, keep in mind that we're going to get you all the money to fix your car right. If the insurance company is telling you to go to a specific shop, that's because they want you to go to that shop because it's the cheapest price for them, for the insurance company, not a quality repair for you. And this, my friends, is why insurance companies hate Sharp Auto Body.